So going back in a little bit of time, we're going to hit the Mongol era where they've merged with the British and the Persians as well. They came down, and normally they were from Afghanistan or from the Middle East as well. And the Mughal empires reigned from about the 1100s to about the 17. So in that, they left cabins, a signature to Calcutta. You also see them in Mumbai as well. But it's a little bit of British with a little bit of Central Asia. And of course here, they put their Bengali twist on it. And so to pay homage, we're going to do a fish fry on that, which basically is fish, breadcrumbs, marinated in turmeric, some mint chutney in there, and traditionally they used to use biscuits as well, and they would crunch that up, digestives or the Maryland biscuits, which are very British, and would crunch that up, and then they would use that instead, also because it's a little bit cheaper as well. So first off, we're going to take the fish, we're going to marinate it in a little bit of turmeric powder, and a little bit of salt. So we're going to mix a bit of ginger garlic paste in there too. So we'll just pop that in. And then we're going to add a little bit of our mint chutney. So again, the chutney's got no yogurt, it's just chili and it's just coriander and mint mixed together. Not too much. Yeah, it's just a light sprinkling of it. And mix that all up. So we're going to add in a little bit of our fish into egg yolk, and then we're going to put it into our breadcrumbs. Do each one. There we go. How about that? While that's just sinking in, marinating, we're going to heat up some mustard oil and we're going to start to fry the fish. Always fry in a little bit of mustard oil because that's what they do here. And we're just going to lift up the fish and then we're going to slowly fry it in here. There you go. Okay, so this is it almost ready now. So we're just going to take this out, give it a bit of a drain. And just drain that. And then of course, in the style that they do, normally they have a little bit of salad on the side. So it's a bit of chopped up cucumber, onion, sometimes eggplant in there, I've seen. Okay, and then we're just gonna add the sauce on here, as they do. And this is just pounded up mustard with a little bit of vinegar in there, and salt. And here we have our cabin fish fry. So we'll just have a bit of a taster. That is better than the cabins. Very good indeed.